my word is focus.
Perseverance.
Balance.
Safety.
Center.
Believe.
Bless.
Intrigued.
Democracy. Persistence.
Kindness.
Determination.
Ubuntu.
Imagine.
Flexibility.
Focus.
Good morning, Stone. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a healthier version of the dessert apple crisp. The ingredients you'll need are an apple, oil and or butter, maple syrup, cinnamon, honey, and oatmeal oats. First, you want to put your butter and your oil in your pan and let it heat up. After that, you want to slowly add your apples and stir them with a wooden spoon so they all get covered in the butter and oil. Cook the apples for about 5 minutes or until they start getting soft. Next, you want to add your maple syrup, cinnamon, and honey. Make sure to stir this well so that way all the apples get covered in it. After about 30 seconds or so, you want to add your oatmeal oats and cook those for about a minute or until they get golden browned. After the oats are cooked, take the pan off the heat and pour into a bowl. As a final touch, I like to add an extra pinch of cinnamon.
Good morning, Panthers. It's time for our What to Watch segment.
Looking for a way to de-stress or learn how to use oil paints? If so, give
Bob Ross Joy of Painting, available on YouTube and Netflix. A try.
In 1998, a Disney animation movie released titled Mulan. 22 years later, a live-action adaptation released on Disney+. If you're curious about the movie or you want something to compare the original with, watch Mulan on Disney+.
Another show on Netflix worth a watch is Julie and the Phantoms. It released September 2020. It's about a girl named Julie who started a band with ghosts.
Speaking of remakes and sequels to amazing movies, World War 84 or Wonder Woman 1984 is available on HBO and Max now. It's a sequel to the highly recommended formerly standalone Wonder Woman movie that released in 2017.
Those were some great recommendations. I'll be sure to check them out. And remember, stay safe, have a great day, and we'll see you in the next show.